We live in a world where we're always looking for innovation or the new next best thing. And don't get me wrong, innovation is great. It's what keeps all of us in business. However, is it possible that the next big thing is actually doing something old very well? Let me share an example. Jason Jennings wrote this book. Actually, the copyright's 2005. Think Big, Act Small. Many, many years ago. And he and his research team studied 10 companies that consecutively increased revenues and profits 10 years in a row. And some of these companies are under the radar, companies such as Petco, Sonic, and Cabela's. And what Jason Jennings and his team discovered is that there were timeless principles of leadership, sales, and marketing that they did very well. Not new concepts, old concepts done very well. Let me share one example. Jason Jennings was interviewing Jim Cabela, co-chairman of Cabela Corporation, a multi-million-dollar operation. And here's what he noted. Jim Cabela comes into his office every morning in Sidney, Nebraska, and he would read through the customer complaints, comments, or concerns, needs, or wants. So Jason sat there and said, Jim, what's the reason you're the person reading through these comments? Because, of course, isn't that a little tactical? And Jim Cabela replied, what could possibly be more important than knowing what our customers want, need, and desire? So let's fast forward to 2014 and let's take a look at this old principle covered in this book. Is it still relevant? And a couple of questions to ask yourself. Are your COO, CFO, COO, CMO, the C-suite, Director of Operations, Director of Customer Service, Director of Warehousing, are they out meeting and greeting with your clients and finding out what they need and want? Because how can we set strategy? How can we bring on new products, ideas, or services if we're not doing some of those basics, asking and studying for what our customers want? So keep looking for that innovation, that next best idea. However, I challenge all of us to take an old idea and execute it really well. I'm Colleen Stanley, President of Sales Leadership. Thanks for joining me today.